Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and we're here for kind of an update on my Drape Fit box I did not too long ago. So I received my exchange. Now the way they did it was really weird. You click exchange, you have the keep, exchange, or return, and I clicked exchange. And so it checked me out as I didn't spend any money, I didn't hear anything about it, so I was like, well, did it register that I was exchanging these jeans or not? I didn't really know. A little bit later, they come in the mail and I get an email saying that my credit card has been charged for $59.99. Now the jeans I sent back were $32.99. Now when I exchanged them, I expected to exchange them for that price. So I went up from a 10 to a 12. We're going to see how it goes. They're a pair of 1822. They're mid-rise skinny jeans. But the mid-rise actually came up higher than a normal mid-rise would on me, so I didn't mind that they were a mid-rise. So we're going to open them up, look at them. I'll try them on for you. There'll probably be an update to this update once I contact them and see if they will honor the original price. If they won't, I may send the jeans back because I also had the 20% off code where I could have got $20 put towards them. See if they'll let me use that. And I'll let you know whenever that happens. I'll do a little short or something to let you know how that goes. But right now, we're going to look at the denim. I love the brand 1822. I was really excited when I saw that they were going to start carrying 1822 denim. I went to 1822 Denim website, and do you know they actually have a denim box where they'll send you 3 sets of denim from there? I thought that was pretty neat. But anyway, Drape Fit, they send you the bag if you want to return it. It's already got the label on it and everything. Go to the post office. We get this that has our price sheet and the little brochure that tells you about Drape Fit. And I don't have a stylist thing, but yeah, $59.99. I did get a 25% purchase all discount. I don't really know what that's about. So my total was $44.99. Then tax was added. I guess that's weird too. They sent me one item, so I get a purchase all item if I keep the one item discount. That's weird. Is that not weird? Okay, we'll figure this out. Weird. They don't give you sneak peeks. They wrap it up like it's a Christmas present. And here is the denim in question. These say Zara. They're not even the Drape Fit jeans. They're Zara jeans. I'm so confused. They're a mid-rise skinny jean in size 12 blue, but they're not the same pair of jeans. Okay. I even think I've tried this pair on before because I remember that I thought it was weird that it was just right there. Y'all, this is not the best impression to be given for y'all, but you know I tell it like it is. And this is very disappointing. I mean, it's disappointing. You expect if you're going to exchange something to get the same thing in a bigger size, not a different pair of jeans. Yeah, and charged more for them. That's craziness. That's craziness. Is it just me? So, y'all comment below. Tell me what you think. I will show you what I'm wearing today. I will try this pair on, and we'll see if I like them. But I'm really disappointed that I lost those jeans, and I almost kept them. Even though they were a little tight on me, I almost decided to keep them, and now I kind of wish I had because I may never get them again. But definitely will be contacting Drape Fit about this. And I'm glad I waited until I opened the box. I almost emailed them, but I wanted to wait until I opened this to see, and it's a good thing I did. So y'all, while you're waiting for me to go and stand up and move the camera and everything, I'd really appreciate it if you give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Subscribing to my channel is absolutely free to you, and it means the world to me. Share with your friends, press that notification bell, and if you want to donate to the channel, there's a super thanks down below for that, or you can buy me a coffee at buymeacoffee.com, Unboxed by G. see you back in a minute. All right, y'all, so here are the jeans. I mean, they're no way come up high enough because they're medium rise. They're pretty tight on my legs, and this is a size 12. Lots of gapping and stretching back here. Yeah, I'm not in love with these, and I'm definitely gonna have to contact them and tell them, yeah, what's the deal? Why did you send me a pair of pants that I didn't ask for? And where are the ones I did ask for? Oh my good gracious. The company. I'm just gonna have to ask the company, and I'll let you know what they said. And I feel like, so here's the email, what they responded to me. They said they didn't charge me, and then they would have to check with their fulfillment center to see why I was not sent the proper jeans. So I'm still kind of up in the air. No clue. I'll never get them back. I know it. And I feel like they're going to slide down too, by the way. I feel like they're working their way down as I stand still. So let me just move on. We'll do a recap. All right, y'all. I'm back. And I have to say I'm just a little angry, actually. I feel like for me to say I want them exchanged, I'm expecting the exact same pair in a bigger or smaller size depending on what I asked for. They exchanged the pants with different pants, more expensive pants on top of that. So I gotta say I'm very disappointed, and a brand that I've never actually kept from them too. So I mean, I'm going to update y'all and let you know what they say after I email them, tell them how disappointed I am, tell them, you know, I'm sending these back. If they can't send me the exact pair I had in the first one, sized up, that I don't want another pair, that just, you know, don't charge me nothing, take the money, you know, I want my money back. It just kind of blows my mind. It's not what I'm used to. It may be just this company. Maybe, you know, it's in the fine print somewhere that they can't exchange for the exact pair of pants or something. Who knows? I've never seen that. But, you know, it is what it is. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Y'all have a wonderful day. Don't forget to stay tuned for that update. Y'all, God bless.